Well, welcome to the channel. And if you came here to get yourself right in time for summer, then you come to the right place. If you want to see more on this pop-in unit, then please continue to watch. So I am coming to you today with this gorgeous, summer-ready, no fuss, beginner-friendly unit by none other than Bobbi Boss. This so reminds me of Emma because that was one of my staples, one of my favorites, and they didn't disappoint with this one either. This is Bobbi Boss's natural short styles. You can move it any way, which I'm not too sure about. Lace front, easy everyday curls, which I totally agree with. Free positioning wig, choose your parting style. Now this is a flex fit cap. The hair on the unit is unprocessed 100% human hair style customization, so you can bleach and you can color this unit, and I have this in the color natural black. Originally I was supposed to get the natural, but I accidentally ordered the natural black, which I'm not even mad at right now. So I have this in the style MHLF424 Jazzie. Yeah, this unit is everything. That is also comes with baby hairs. Top quality cap, and it's a 4" by 5" lace part, and it's hand knotted lace parting. So you do get the parting right here, and I'm going to touch bases on that. I'm going to show you the sock card. Let's get into this wig. So I totally agree with them. This is absolutely an everyday wig. She slays pretty much, honestly, right out the bag. So if you're not good with lace, or you're not good with wigs, or you're tired of looking like you're wearing a wig, then honey, you better snatch you up one quick. Okay, for the price point, I think this is a fair price point. I believe it's around $50 and $60. I'm not sure, but I'll leave that in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. So I cannot complain about this unit. As far as tangling, I haven't really experienced any tangling. Shedding, it's a little bit, after I removed the lace, after I did the initial comb through, and it wasn't nothing that was too bad. It is curly hair, so sometimes curly hair will tend to shed, but not much. Another thing with this unit is somewhat big head friendly. So my head is about a 22.5, I want to say, which is almost close to normal. So that's the dimensions for my head, usually 22.5, sometimes 23. Yeah, I don't know, sometimes. The curls are gorgeous. Just everything about this. It can get bigger if you tease the hair. So for all those big hair, don't care women out there, you can definitely tease it and make it as big and voluptuous as you want. I rocked her literally for the past 2 days, I want to say. She is gorgeous. Like, no worries. I haven't sweat anything with this unit. You can even work out with this unit and still look cute doing it. You don't have to worry about pinning your hair up or whatever. The snapback is unreal. She is totally gorgeous, okay? Other than the parting, which I'm going to show you in a minute, she's perfect. I wish it did have more lace. I wish it had more lace up in here so I can probably do a little ponytail, a little, little snapback, whatever. Now, as far as the positioning, I don't feel like you can position this wig because I did try it, and when I did it, so one side was longer than the other unless you're going for that style. I didn't care for it, so I just put it right here in the middle. Now with this unit, you only get lace pretty much temple to temple, which is about anywhere from 5 to 6 inches of lace at the front. So what I did was just use my own baby hair, which blended in perfectly because the wig just lays. It's not even, I didn't use anything on it. It is, as you can see, and it's secure and it stays down. So I used some of the baby hairs that came with the wig, and I just pulled out some of my own, and no issues there, and it blends seamlessly. I don't know about you, but I might be copying me another one so I can have it on standby, okay? So let me go ahead and give you a close-up of this unit and do that 360. Here's what I'm talking about as far as the parting. Now I did put some powder inside. I am gonna go ahead probably later on and probably tweeze the parting a little bit better just to define it, to make it look a little more natural. The curls, the hair, the texture on is gorgeous. It feels like virgin hair. Look at these curls. As you can see, I pulled out my own edges and it blends perfectly because it is a curly unit. It's not really a problem. And I did use some of theirs right here. When I told you earlier that I actually wanted the natural color, I'm glad I got the natural black, because in the sunlight it looks like a natural color than it does natural black, but it's not bad. So it's like in between. So the natural black is gorgeous, and it makes the hair looks a lot more lustrous, shiny, healthy. I love it. I'm here for it all. Let me go ahead and give you the 360, so obviously the front. So that is his hair. It comes with your pretty much your standard combs, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your standard adjustable straps to keep you held down. If you're looking for something that's so easy, you at work, you're working from home, you got a Zoom call coming in, pop the girl on and she is ready to go. You look like you've been put together. You don't look like you've been in self-isolation with this one. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you want to purchase her, I'll leave all that information down in the description box below. Leave your comments down below and I'm sure to get back to you with some more summer ready slays, because I do got some more coming to you. Okay, you don't want to miss. So if you don't want to miss them, why don't you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can be up on the hair game. Till my next video, please stay safe, stay fabulous, and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.